Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this very easy garland using paper. You can get this type of paper in any stationery shop. Start folding the paper as I am showing here. I am using black marker for video purpose only. You can use pencil or pen to draw outline to cut the perfect shape. Don't cut top side part completely, so it will look like garland border. Unfold it very carefully and your handmade Toran is ready. If you like this simple tutorial, then hit that like button. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.